Everyone, David Cook, the Franco Painting and Wallpaper. And today I am working on a project that I hate, skim coating. So people ask, what is skim coating? So basically, skim coating is using plaster on a rough, irregular surface. You just put a little on the wall and you just tightly skim it across. So you're looking to fill in all these little nooks and crannies, getting rid of all the little gaps that are here, all this fun stuff. So I've been playing around with this, started yesterday, and then getting rid of the rough stuff. So this is a full finish I did 9 years ago. It's called Three Sisters because it's got pretty much three primary colors on there, but 7 levels of layers of different techniques you have to brushing and tints and all this stuff. It's cool when it's done. But as you can see, it's very, very heavy texture. So what I had to do was go through and I used our fest tool and I tried with 100 grit. It didn't work. So we're at 40 grit sanding this down. So now we're just skim coating it to make it smooth. So it'll be like those walls. So here's the first coat on this area. It's almost dry. You can kind of see a couple places where it's a little more bumpy than I would like, but for the initial coat, it actually laid down pretty good. This side was a lot heavier because this wall here got cut out and then they put plumbing in for new boiler. So I had to redo this at some point. Next, decent. But now it's just a matter of making it smooth as possible and again, skimming it. So we're just putting a light coat and then I'm actually coming pretty tight on here and getting it so it's smooth. So I don't want to go like that because that's what you get. So you can see how my blade is. I am not an expert at this at any means, but this is how I've learned to do it. So what is skim coating? That's skim coating in a nutshell. Just putting a tight skim of drywall mud or plaster or what have you over the wall to make it nice and smooth. If you've got questions on how we can help you with your house and home, getting smoother walls. This usually happens after wallpaper removal, but rough texture, what have you. Love to see how we can help you. Love the space you're in with very smooth, clean, brand new looking walls. Hope you have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.